So one of the muscles that might surprise you that will help you straighten your knee after knee replacement surgery is the gluteus maximus, or your big butt muscle here. Now, this muscle plays integrally with your quadricep muscle, which is the front thigh muscle, which is directly responsible for straightening your knee. But getting a good contraction out of your glutes will really help you straighten your knee, especially when you're standing and walking. So, two very simple exercises that you can do in your home. Number one is glute sets, or just literally just squeezing your butt muscles. So I can do this standing up nice and straight, tighten my butt muscles together. I think you get the idea. I'm just gonna hold that for 5 seconds and do it for 5 reps. But I will do that about 3 to 5 times a day. What that's gonna do is just give my brain, sending the signal down to that muscle to activate, turning it on, and I'm gonna get better use out of it throughout the day. Now, in terms of actually strengthening it and really firing that muscle, it's gonna be glute bridges, which can be done in your bed, on the floor, anywhere that you can lay down. Have your knees bent as best you can, right? Now, I understand you might be limited in your bending, just do the best you can here. And you're going to push up, raising your butt up, tighten your belly, and you wanna feel a nice squeeze in your butt muscles here. Now, this one, I'm not so concerned about having you hold it, just going back and forth with control for about 8 reps for 3 sets. So you do 8 reps, take a break, 8 reps again, and then again after a break. Now, these bands, if you get these from therapy, TheraBands here, what you can do to make this a little bit harder and get some more strength out of those glutes, I'm gonna hold it like so, to kind of choke up on it. Hold it down across my hips on the bed or on the table, and I'm going to raise my hips up like that to give myself some resistance. Same idea, about 3 sets of 8 reps. This guy should get that glute max firing and help you with straightening your knee while you're walking or just laying around with the knee straighter after your knee replacement surgery.